Hi, I'm John with badcredit.org. Sometimes applying for a credit card feels kind of like a pass or fail test where your credit score is the only thing that matters. But what if you could bypass the credit check completely? Well, that's possible if you apply for the opensky secured Visa credit card. It's a powerful tool designed for anyone who wants to rebuild their credit while avoiding some of that anxiety that comes with an application. But before we get into all the details, I want to mention that we have a full, in-depth review of the opensky secured Visa on badcredit.org, and I'll drop that link in the description below so you can read more about the fee structure, the full application, and see how it compares to other options on the market. Our review found that this card's biggest advantage is its accessibility. While secured cards often have higher approval odds, many still check your credit before giving you a thumbs up or a thumbs down. But because this card doesn't require a credit check at all to apply, your credit score won't get hit with a hard inquiry, and you won't get automatically rejected just because you have a low score or a limited credit profile. In fact, it has one of the highest approval rates out there. Another major benefit is that opensky reports your history to all three major credit bureaus. So as long as you pay on time, it can act like a ladder to help you climb your way back to a better credit score. You also choose your own credit limit because whatever amount you provide for your refundable security deposit becomes your spending limit. The minimum security deposit is $200. But here's a quick reality check. To build your credit score, you should aim to keep your utilization, which is how much of your credit you're using, to under 30%. On a $200 limit, that means you shouldn't carry a balance of more than $60 at any given time. If you max the card out, you could actually end up hurting your credit score. Now, let's talk a little bit about the drawbacks, because skipping the credit check sounds great, but there is a price tag involved. Our review found that the card charges a $35 annual fee. That's an added cost you have to pay just to keep the account open, whereas some other secured cards charge nothing. So, is the opensky secured Visa the right move for you? Well, if you keep hitting a brick wall with traditional applications and just need a way to start proving yourself, this card is an excellent first step. It takes the stress out of the process and puts you back in control. If you think of it as a tool and pay off your entire balance every month, you'll be feeding your credit reports on-time payments and keeping your utilization low. And those are two of the biggest factors in your credit scores. That'll really help move the needle on your financial profile and give you the confidence to eventually apply for unsecured cards in the future. Now, to see how this card compares to other secured cards on the market and a whole bunch of other stuff that we didn't have time to cover in this review, click the link in our description to read the full breakdown at badcredit.org. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and straightforward credit advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.